guys? Welcome back to Race Spec, and it has come to my attention. Give me a second. Gotta take the bra off. You know what I mean? But yeah, so the boys have spoken, and oh, dude, I thought that was my cell phone. And one, I guess you guys want a shirt that says "To it for the boys," so I'll get working on that. Take me a few weeks to get like the samples out for myself, but yeah, but like the boys have spoken and they've told me that the steering wheel on the F is very ugly. So come check it out and see what the rest of y'all think. Also, what do you think about the new wrap? Dub or no? But yeah. All right, so our assistant is gonna go ahead and film the stock steering wheel. What do you guys think about that? Totally not ice, right? Extreme lack of ice. But check it out. It's nice, it's heated and everything, but I don't know. Apparently the boys want a carbon fiber or something like that. So might have to order one for the boys. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe like red leather to match the seats from the boy Elvin. I think he's from like Hong Kong or something, but he apparently makes the dopest ones for Lexuses. Not like the DCTMS ones. Apparently they're nice, and then people don't like him, and they're like, what, $500? The Elvin one, they're like 800, 900, but I think I'm gonna order that. Oh wait, I did, and it just freaking arrived. So we gotta check it out. Why'd I do it? Oh, fuck, boys. Ah!
Oh, my nail.
Thought that was it, but I actually also got a shift boot with a shift knob. I did it red perforated leather. You're gonna see it right now. I'm gonna open it up, and then we're gonna shoot it again a little more detailed on the inside with our lights on, because it's kind of getting dark out here. But yeah, I'm gonna install this within the next couple days. But for you guys, luckily it'll be in the same video. I just need to do some research as to how to install it. Kind of clueless on that. I'm excited for it. I actually just ordered some driving gloves too, because I don't want to get it all gross and crusty. But let's open this up. Alright guys, so hopefully you liked that. We're going to go inside right now so you guys can see it in better lighting, because it kind of looks like magenta right now, or pink. What's up guys? So right now we're gonna move on to the install. I already kind of got started a little bit. I'm gonna call this a light how-to, because I'm kind of just gonna tell you how it goes. So I took off the negative battery terminal, and then on the sides of your steering wheel you need a small flathead screwdriver. I used a pin, but it would have been better if it was curved. So take these little covers off the side of your steering wheel, which are actually one's right there, and then one by where your cruise control is. So supposedly, according to the Club Lexus forum, there's some pins in here that I need to pry up with my screwdriver, and those are there's supposed to be two on this side, and then I see them, and one on the passenger side. And then what happens then is the airbag comes out. So I think that's one of them. Yeah, it's gonna take some muscle, so I'll go ahead and do this off camera, and then I'll check back once I get it out. Alright guys, I got out the airbag. Right here you can see the pins a bit easier. There's one right there, there's one down here, and there's one right up there, and you kind of just move it to the side with your screwdriver, and then this pops out. So now you're gonna pop these up, your little tool. It's gonna take them out, and then you're gonna go ahead and remove the steering wheel. So check it out. Alright, so we got the steering wheel off, and now we're going to use this 19mm socket to loosen this, supposedly. Then it should wiggle out. I'm not sure exactly how many other things I need to take out, so that's gonna be trial and error, and hopefully it is for you guys too. But looking forward to putting this back together. It's kind of ugly now to look at it on my camera. Wow. Alright guys, so fast forward to the install being done. It's having massive issues taking off the steering wheel. I was trying to use a steering wheel puller, etc. Here's how the new steering wheel looks. Check it out. It looks dope. It actually matches pretty well. Just my seats are super dirty right now. I have to clean them like at least 10 times for it to work. But right now I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to take off your stock steering wheel. Obviously this is already on, but when you take off your airbag and the nut, leave your nut a little bit threaded. What you're going to do to take off your stock wheels, you're going to grab your hand, you're going to make it into a fist. You're going to bang up here, you're going to bang down there to the sides a few times, and then like what that does is it's just going to come loose. And once it comes loose, you take off your stock steering wheel, you put this one back on. I believe I think it's 35 foot-pounds or 17 foot-pounds. Look it up on how tight your steering wheel should be. But that's it. It took forever, so you guys really need to know this. Just bang it, boom, it'll come right off. Put everything on, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys got the option where this is carbon and that's carbon, then you're gonna have to take off the little switches and do a little more work. I didn't do that, so it wasn't necessary for me, but I figured I'd just let you guys know. So yeah, I mean, I've been enjoying the car, so I barely got to this, but yeah, that is how you install your steering wheel. Hopefully you guys find this of great value, because honestly, if I found a video like this, like, it would have saved me so much time. But yeah, that's how you do it. Shifting up, super easy to do. I haven't done the boot because apparently you have to take off the entire center console. I really don't want to do that right now, so yeah, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. See y'all next time. Let me know what you think about the steering wheel below. Yeah, I really want to know what you guys think. See ya. Peace.